There you go. There's a stunner, one of the most enigmatic species from South Texas, Echinocereus poselgeri, which you'd never know was there. In fact, the first time I noticed it, I was just taking a leak in this bush. It wasn't blooming. They bloom in March, like they're doing now, and it was right in front of me. I didn't even see it. And then, the longer I stared off into the void whilst urinating, I saw those buds and realized, holy shit, there's a 4-foot tall pencil cactus here. Echinocereus poselgeri. You can see the spines are not very sharp. You can touch those spiny stems and it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt at all. In this case, those spines are not for defense, they're just for camouflage. They make it look like the white stems of all the shrubs that grow in the same habitat. Great example of natural selection, of the habitat selecting for phenotypic traits within a population, within a species. In this case, a species. There's a few species of Echinocereus that do this. Cactus is another one that has white flowers. That's from Mexico. Echinocereus poselgeri here is from the Rio Grande Valley of South Texas. And just a wonderful species. They bloom in March. Fruits ready by April. And then, they just kind of blend back in and disappear until they flower again in March. I mean, they're still there, but, They do have a little peanut-like root tuber that they can re-sprout from should they go through extended periods of drought and die back. But look at that, what a stunner. And of course, that big green stigma, all those yellow anthers and that big green bulbous stigma and those beautiful pink tepals, an inferior ovary. That'll be the fruit, that thing down there, once they're pollinated. Hopefully the bees are hitting them. What a beaut. So this is a nice illustration of those tubers on Echinocereus poselgeri. This is one, I think a rabbit dug it up. I don't know. But I'm going to replant it. But before I replant it, I figured I'd show you that storage mechanism. Quite a few cacti actually do that. They make these little potatoes. And Cactus shiri does it as well. But anyway, this guy's going back in there going, I don't know how the rabbits are getting these bastards up, but something pried it up. Could have been a raccoon too. We get raccoons back here.